Ready to glimpse into the next big thing in automotive tech? Let's explore the world of automotive sensors. As of 2023, the global automotive sensors market is worth a whopping $39 billion, and it's expected to skyrocket to $85 billion by 2030. What's driving this surge? Advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous vehicles are leading the charge. Technological advancements are making sensors more efficient and affordable, while governments worldwide are tightening safety and emission standards. Now let's break it down regionally. Asia-Pacific is a powerhouse with a massive 43% market share, thanks to giants like China, Japan, and South Korea. In North America, the push towards electric vehicles is a key driver. Europe, it's all about safety and environmental concerns. Latin America and the Middle East and Africa are catching up, driven by vehicle production and urbanization. The future is clear. As cars get smarter and safer, sensors are the key. Stay tuned for more insights and keep riding the wave of innovation. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.